Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on how to upload videos on YouTube, settings to maximize views. Are you tired of uploading videos that barely get noticed? In this video, I will reveal expert settings and strategies to optimize your YouTube uploads, boost engagement and grow your channel, from renaming video files to leveraging SEO hashtags. All of that I've got you covered. Now, let me ask you these questions. Are you tired of uploading videos that barely get noticed? How many of you struggle to grow your YouTube channel? What's the one thing that you wish you knew about YouTube optimization? And now, can you think of a time when you forgot to rename a video file, that is before you did the upload? And how many of you currently use keywords in your file names? What's the most important information to include in a file name? Get me all these answers at the comment section, and I'm sure they're actually going to help you in this particular video. Now, let me ask you this particular question too. What makes you click on a video thumbnail? When you see someone's video thumbnail, what makes you click on that? Have you ever created a thumbnail that didn't actually perform well? What's the secret to crafting clickable thumbnails? Now, this is actually going to be the last set of questions I'm going to ask you. Now, do you currently use hashtags in your YouTube videos? How many of you know the optimal number of hashtags to use? Come on, what's the most effective way to research hashtags? These are very important questions that are going to help you in this particular video. Now, join me as I take you through the right settings to maximize your views. That's before you upload your video on YouTube. Note that it is the algorithm that is going to help you get the views that you want. And so before you upload your video, please, with all due respect, make sure the title of your video is the same as the name in which the thumbnail is saved, and then the file name is also saved, as you can see over here. This is the thumbnail, for example, I'm going to use, and look at the title of the thumbnail over there. Use these features if YouTube is not recommending your video. Sometimes when you finish working on your image, you see that it's saved in certain numbers, so it's just numbers. Change that, please. Change that to the name of the title, or you can even use some of the keywords in the title. Now let's get to the studio. At the studio here, you see over the title section, you see use these features if YouTube is not recommending your videos. The same title I used to save my image. Now let's get to the file name. That is where the video name is also captured. As you can see over there, the file name, let me zoom in for you to see clearly. Good. So the file name also captures the same. Use these features if YouTube is not recommending your videos. So now when you have it like this, YouTube's algorithm is actually going to detect your video, because all the angles, it's having the same keywords in there. Not only with these, now the next one I'm also going to show you for you to concentrate on is what we call the hashtags and the tags in the description section. Now check and watch closely. You can see that I am talking about YouTube recommendation, and so over here I have YouTube recommendation as even the first hashtag. When it happens this way, the algorithm will actually go to be in your favor. Don't just upload your video anyhow and then just leave it just like that. No. Now let's check another video. For instance, this video is having how to register for Telecel data bundle. Now let's check at the video file name. You see, it was a UCut app was used to edit it, and after the actual production, you see the name it was saved in. This means that the file name was not changed. And so if you're having this file name with that one as also the title, definitely it is going to affect the viewership of this particular video. And so it is always advisable that you have some of the keywords in the title as part of the name in which your video is saved. So now let me take you through how to edit your file name and change it to the name of your title. But please, before you continue, try to subscribe to my channel for me right away if you've not done that. Okay, so now let's assume this is the video we want to change. After you save your video from your application, that's your video editing app, you're going to see text like this. Click on the three dots and then you press on rename. Now type the name of the title of that video over there. For example, we're going to use how to use CapCut Pro version free of charge. Okay, so that's our title. Now we are saving the video with that actual title. Right, so it is now done, as you can see clearly on your screen. Okay, so now the next thing to do is to also use the same title, the same words to save our thumbnail. So let's assume we are going to use any of the images on the phone as our thumbnail. Let's assume you're going to use this one, okay, as our thumbnail. You do the same thing. Then you are going to also change that name to the name of the title of the video you are actually going to upload. All right, so that is it. And then you press on done. You wait patiently. It's now saved successfully, as we can see. Great. So now that we are done with both the image and that of the video, let's check on our file and see. That's on our gallery, and see if it's saved. This is the first image that we use. Let's check at the details. Now the name is there. How to use CapCut. You understand? Great. Let's go to the video aspect, the video side, and check if at that side too we have the name saved successfully at that side. So now this is the video to how to use CapCut, as you can see over there. Yes, it's also showing clearly over here. So now that you have been able to use the same keywords to save your file, that is your video, and that same keyword to also save your thumbnail, trust me, you are good to go. Yes, and so clearly you are going to signal to the YouTube algorithm that, hey, I am in for more views, and so it's going to automatically be recommending your video. When someone searches for that, all the aspect of your video is capturing the same keywords, and so it will be very, very simple, very, very easy for the algorithm to actually capture your video and begin to recommend it or begin to show it at the search results. You understand? So that is it. Please do well to take it very seriously. Not everyone will be able to tell you this, but this one is a tried and tested one. Give it a try if you've not been doing that, and then from time to time keep on checking that particular video, and then you are going to see a great testimony on your YouTube channel. So please, if you have not been getting that number of views that you want, before you do the upload, this is one major and the most important thing you need to know. Don't just upload your video with the same file name that your editing app gave you right after your production. No. It is a thing of the past. And then after you are done with these, the next thing that is the most important thing, as you saw in the first video version that we showed you, the next thing to do is to quickly also include some of these keywords at your description section as part of your tag and your hashtag. You know, there is a difference between your tag and the hashtag. Some other time I shall get time to talk about it into details, okay? But for now, please do well to use them in your tags and the hashtags at the description level or the description section on your YouTube, and it's actually going to help you a lot. All right, so thank you very much. This is where I'll bring today's tutorial to an end. I'm sure you've really enjoyed. If this video has actually helped you in any way, please kindly share it for me. Let us all come together and share this particular video. A lot of people are in need of this tutorial, so it helps them as well. So share the video so it gets to a lot of people. And then if you have any question, I'll be waiting to answer your question at the comment section for you. If you are also successful to rename your file, let me know at the comment section, and then I'll be able to turn to you over there. Don't forget to like this particular video, and then if you've not subscribed yet too, please do subscribe to my channel for more tutorials from now on. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day.